大家好，喺我身後邊係 Brisbane 嘅 Spring Hill， 呢個睇落去好似風車嘅建築物。I was just talking about the ghost story behind me. No. Have you heard the ghost story behind me?
No, I haven't.
It was a windmill, but it was also the place for hanging.
Oh, no.
Yes. The most famous one was the surveyor.
Yeah.
He took 7 prisoners to the field for surveying, and he sent 5 people out there. The surveyor left 2 of the prisoners with him in the camp. And when those 5 people returned in the afternoon, they find the surveyor was killed with other 2 prisoners. One of them survived, and then, but he was seriously injured.
Yeah.
And later he identified, I think, two indigenous people.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to mention that, but yeah, they were caught and they were sentenced to death penalty, and they were hanged just behind this place. And it was recorded by the son of the Peter Terence, the son of the mayor. It was written in the stories. So if you
That's
search,
interesting. Yeah. That's
Yes.
cool.
Well, thank you.
Oh, thank you for that. Yeah, that's cool to know.
Thank you. Enjoy this. 咁好啦，頭先我講咧就係個最初期嘅工程師啦，測量師啊，咁佢就帶同7個囚友咁啊去咗，應該好似去咗 Oxley 咁嘅地方去做呢個勘測啦。咁嗰朝咧，佢就叫咗5個人落個田地嗰度去清理。咁後來就佢留低2個人啦。咁個測量師留低2個囚犯同佢一齊。咁去到中午嘅時候咧，咁啊班人食飯，咁啊翻去個 camp 嗰度啦。咁就發現到其中佢3個人都個測量師死咗啦。另外2個囚友，1個都死埋啦，另一個就嚴重咁受傷嘅。咁後來呢個生還嘅囚友咧就認得返，指出係當地嘅居民做嘅。咁後來當然政府就捉咗佢哋啦。咁其中2個咧就被判處死刑嘅。咁最後咧就喺我身後呢個風車塔嗰度去執行呢個絞刑。咁啊呢個故事咧就喺個隔離我哋有個鎮咧就叫 Peter Terence 啦。咁佢個仔咧，佢應該市長個仔咧，佢就記錄翻呢件事嘅。佢就話當年佢都係帶到嚟呢度現場去睇呢一次嘅死刑嘅。咁佢嘅描述就係話好恐怖啦，佢永遠都會記住呢一幕啦。咁啊，其實我講翻呢個故事就係想帶出我哋呢個地方，每個地方都有佢嘅故事。咁啊，希望死者安息啦 ，rest in peace of the prisoners. I hope you can let go and things just move on. And I hope there will be peace. 咁啊，希望大家鍾意我今次分享呢個故事啦。咁下次我再揾到其他有趣嘅故事，我再同大家分享啦。